Hi, my name is Ronald Carter. I'm owner of 310 Self-Defense and Fitness, and I'm here today to one, discuss with you a couple of growing problems that I have noticed growing among the seniors in our community. Two, provide you with some statistical facts regarding these problems. Three, provide you with some actionable solutions to these problems. And four, forge an alliance with you so we can effectively provide our seniors with the right services and resources to combat this problem. The problems that I am referring to are lack of physical activity due to sedentary lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits due to poor nutrition choices. I have been a resident here in the beautiful city of Compton for over 40 years. I love my city and I have a deep respect for the people who reside here. As a youth, I grew up playing here at Gonzalez Park, and as an adult, I now find myself bringing my children here to play as well. I also frequently visit my Aunt Ann, who stays at the South Bay Retirement Residence next to the park. And over the last couple of years, I've noticed some disturbing trends that I feel require our immediate attention. When I go inside the facility, I see a big home gym with no seniors inside exercising. I see vending machines with lots of candy and high sodium chips and sugar drinks. And when I go upstairs and look inside my aunt's refrigerator, all I see is more soda and old takeout food from Domino's Pizza, Wingstop, and Panda Express. When I ask my aunt why she doesn't cook for herself or go out next door for a walk in the park, she always responds that she's too tired and doesn't have the energy that she used to. As a result of my aunt's poor nutrition choices and sedentary lifestyle, she has now gained a significant amount of weight. She suffers from high blood pressure. She has type 2 diabetes and a bad hip from a couple of slip and falls that she suffered while living there on her own. When I look outside and I don't see seniors exercising in the park or downstairs in the gym, I know that my aunt is not alone at being at risk for acquiring non-communicable diseases. And it is at this time that I would like to provide you with some statistical facts about lack of physical activity and poor nutrition choices. Biomed Central reports that leading a sedentary lifestyle is one of the 10 causes of non-communicable deaths here in the United States. The World Health Organization has conducted studies that report that lack of physical activity and unhealthy eating habits usually show up as high blood pressure, increased blood glucose, elevated blood lipids, and obesity, all of which my aunt currently suffers from. And this is why I feel that there is an immediate need for intervention. The World Health Organization also reports that 15 million people die every year from non-communicable deaths, and that 85% of those deaths occur in low and middle income areas such as this one. I am certain that with our combined efforts, we can effectively change the mindset and the negative behavior patterns of our seniors. However, we won't be able to do this without fostering in new behavior changes. I suggest that some of the changes be that we provide our seniors with nutrition and fitness education, as well as improve their stability, balance, strength, and range of motion by way of having them engage in 150 minutes of moderate physical activity or 150 minutes of vigorous physical activity per week. They will also need the necessary resources to help foster in these new behavior changes. The resources that I suggest are that 1, we acquire the services of licensed dietitian and personal trainer, as well as the services of certified Tai Chi and Zumba instructors. And we will also require the facility here at Gonzalez Park. Through my research, I have found that the use of behavioral theories has been effective in fostering in new behavioral change. And for this particular situation, it is the health belief model that is best fitted to effectively combat these problems. Within the health belief model lie the constructs that will effectively encourage our seniors to embrace these behavior changes rather than reject them. The first construct that we will use is the construct of perceived susceptibility. Through education from our dietitian and personal trainers about the negative effects of lack of physical activity and unhealthy eating habits, we will use that information as cues to action to motivate our seniors to accept these behavioral changes. The next construct that we will use will be the construct of perceived benefits minus the construct of perceived barriers to help further foster and nurture their growth towards these perceived behavior changes. Once we implement the nutrition and fitness education factor, coupled with the addition of the Tai Chi, group fitness, and Zumba classes, our seniors will be well on their way to being provided with a proper platform that they will be able to use to effectively reverse the negative habits that they currently suffer from. They will have the platform that will provide them with an opportunity to get out, socialize, create new fellowships and friendships that will allow them to laugh, dance, get physically fit, share their experiences, and have an overall better life, which is what I think the golden years is all about. Again, my name is Ronald Carter, owner of 310 Self-Defense and Fitness, and I thank you for taking time out of your day to sit and listen to me discuss with you about these problems. I'm going to leave my research here with you for further study, and I look forward to hearing from you in the near future to talk about when we can start combating this problem. Thank you, and have a great day.